In this video we will be replacing the battery from a Kia Sedona key fob. This key design is used for 2006 to 2014 Kia Sedonas. The only tool that is needed for this task is a flathead screwdriver. We will also need one regular CR2032 battery. I have included a link below for the battery. The first step is to open the outer shell. On the upper corner of the key is a small slot. Using the large screwdriver or a coin, separate the outer shell. Then, gently pry open the case. The battery is in this circuit board assembly. Just flip the case and now you can easily get to the battery. Hold the board around the edges and carefully push out the battery using the screwdriver. You may have to use a little force to push out the battery. The battery is CR2032. Get a fresh battery and slide the battery into the slot. The positive side is on top. Next, put the circuit board assembly back into the case. The last step is to put the two halves back and gently squeeze them in place. You can press the buttons to make sure that the small red LED lights up. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.